everybody, welcome to Crafty Becky Tutorials. I'm Crafty Becky, and in today's episode we're going to be looking at Best Maze Generator. Best Maze Generator is an amazing app by Naranjan and Beans. It creates hand-drawn mazes instantly. You can then self-publish on Amazon, KDP, or even on Etsy. Make sure to subscribe to be part of the Crafty family. If you're already a Crafty family member, give yourself a big hug from me. Well, let's get started. Well, this is the sales page for Best Maze Generator, and I'll have a link in the description where you can grab my bonuses. So this is a shortcut to designing artist quality hand-drawn maze books that sell on the Amazon KDP platform and also on Etsy. So you should definitely play this video. We just take a look in the description box to get to this page. And it's only available like 2 days for this low price. So if you get this later in the video, you still get access to my bonuses. So it says maze books sell well on Amazon KDP. Like all these people are like selling maze books and making a lot of money. So you look at all the reviews these maze books have. You know, people are really making bank every single day on their maze books. And this is how the maze books look in the generator, and it's really cute maze books just like that. And it's just really amazing app. And everybody has been really giving me a lot of positive feedback on this app. Like I've heard nothing negative, it's all been positive. This app is made by Naranjan and Beans. They're both partners, and they make amazing apps together. And the Best Maze Generators are just an outstanding app. First you log into your account, you select what maze you want. You can weave a magical story around the maze, like you could put like images around the maze, and then you could download the maze book and upload to KDP. So enough of that, let's take a look for ourselves. So this is Best Maze Generator when you sign in. And let's access it. Now I made like a test, so you go create collection and we'll just go like test. And then we'll click on that. And then now it loads, and look at all these mazes we could use. So we can look for any of these hand-drawn mazes. They're already done for you, and the solution's even done. So let's take a look. What maze? Let me pick this one. So I'm going to do one click. So one click, it made the maze. Look at that. Isn't that just nuts? And then I'll stretch it out to make it bigger. And then see, it even aligns for you, so it tells you that it's centered. Then if you wanted to, you could clone the page. And then for this page, we could give the solution. So I'm going to click on it, and I'm going to go here and show solution and then update. So it showed the solution. Isn't that crazy? So it showed the solution on how to solve the maze. Yeah, so it's just such a cool app. And then there's all these graphics that you could put. So there's like Christmas, like all holidays, all upcoming holidays, like where this is being filmed right now in November. So all the holidays are coming up. So like there's Thanksgiving one, so let's check out the Thanksgiving. And there's like little pilgrims, so we could have a little pilgrim. And we want to do one click, and we have the little pilgrim here. And we could say, you know, get to the, like maybe the little pilgrim is looking for some food. So get to the pumpkin pie. So here's the pumpkin pie, so you can have like the maze. We can also put text on the maze. So we could say, help the pilgrim get to her pumpkin pie. But make sure we keep it within the margins, because Amazon needs 0.5 margins. So here's the page here, and then this is the settings. And then we could go show page margins, and then update. Then it will make sure everything's within the margins, because Amazon will reject it if it's outside the margins. So we can even, so isn't that cute? We could say, help the pilgrim get to the, here's the text. We could click text, and we could say, help the pilgrim get to the pumpkin pie. Those could be the directions. And we can click on the text and make it smaller by just dragging, kind of like Canva, and we could outstretch it, and then we could decide to center it too in the page. So help the pilgrim. So then there's the puzzle. Isn't that adorable? And there's also all these icons you could put. Just put additional stuff if you wanted to, like you put like trees, You know, just to have some decoration of the puzzle so it looks like she's outside and she's trying to get to her pumpkin pie. And then we could add more. So these are some more stuff here. There's like Christmas trees. Here's like another tree we could put. So let's just put that over here. Isn't that just so cute? And then this would be the solution. And then we can also do like page numbering. So we can do numbering right here, and we can center align the number. We can go update, and then it will put the page number above the margin so you won't get in trouble. So then there's the page 2. Okay, so now let's take a look at what you get in each of the tiers, because a lot of people want to know. So the front offer for $47, let me pull up the prices. Yeah, so the front offer is $47 at the time of this recording. It may be more money if you're watching this video later. But the front offer, you get hot selling evergreen hand-drawn mazes, intuitive point and click, hand-drawn maze designs. You get 50 program illustration maze templates, one-click maze insertion, drag and drop maze resizer, quick maze replacement, add text using the drag and drop or 900 font options. You can show the solution like we showed you. There's like clone features. So like remember I showed you, you can duplicate the page. You can shuffle the pages and then automatic page number. Remember we showed you the insert of the page and then the multiple trim size. So we can make it any size we want. The page margin viewer. So I showed you how to put margins and insert your own images. And I showed how you could put images on there, but you can also insert your own images. Like let's say you sign up to Creative Fabrica or design bundles and you have images on there, you could insert your own, or even if you make them from AI tools, you could also insert the images. And you get print ready 3D 300 DPI images for professional quality books, because 300 DPI is essential when you're making books. You can download a single worksheet or entire book with one click, and then download files in multiple formats. Like we could do a PDF. You see all the amazing tools you get. You can import it easily to any other program like PowerPoint, Canva, Affinity. Affinity is now free at the time of this recording. And then work at any zoom level. And then Control-C, Control-V, like it's supported, for all elements like that's copy-paste. And up to 100 downloads a month. And then detailed training, and then you get commercial use rights. Then if you get the OTO1, well, let's see which one is that. Okay, so that's the Pro, and that's $67. So you get unlimited downloads a month. You can download PowerPoint files for you can like outside app editing, so you don't have to just save it as a PDF. You can actually use PowerPoint, but you can also import PDFs to Canva just using the import feature. You can also edit it there and access 50 brand new artistic maze templates, global randomizing feature, easy image upload, unlimited color palette, bulk shuffle, bulk delete, bulk clone, detail training. And then dedicated support team, and you get commercial use rights. And then if you get the OTO2, and let's see what number is that. So the premium is $197. So you get smart maze editor, take full control of your maze solutions, multiple solution path styles. You get 200 additional illustration maze layouts. You can get even more maze layouts. You get 300 holiday themed page layouts, complete with mazes and handcrafted illustrations. And it's made by Naranjan's in-house team. You get detailed training included to walk you through everything, a dedicated support team, get commercial use rights, and then the OTO3, and that one is the Elite. And the Elite, like they want 97, so you get 500 premium icons, 500 matching illustrations, 500, excuse me, Viewbox contain icons, design assets across multiple holiday niches, detailed train a dedicated support team, and liberal commercial use rights. So that's what you get with each of the tiers. And I'm offering bonuses if you buy with my link in the description box. So what I have done is I create a GPT and I make shaped hand-drawn pathway puzzles instantly. So this GPT I made makes these really cute pathway puzzles. And they look really unique of anything you've ever seen. Like there's a lollipop one, I made a star one, cats, flowers. And these are puzzles you just go through to the end. And they're pathway puzzles. So what you get for the bonuses, if you get the front offer, this is a fast action bonus. So the first 48 hours, you get my cute shaped pathway puzzle maker GPT that makes these pathway puzzles here. like instantly. And they're in they're size 8.5 by 11. And I think they're also 300 GP. They're 300 DPI, excuse me. And then there's a video tutorial available with instructions on the bonus Google Doc. And then you get the AKDP Mazebook Optimizer GPT, and this optimizes Mazebooks for Amazon. It uses actual data from top-ranking Mazebooks to pull back the curtain on how they're ranking without ads. Then you get a bonus on my bonus page. So I got this bonus page with over 200 bonuses, probably more than that. There's all these training bonuses, meant to do different things with AI, and they're all on this bonus page. And there's also PLR products that you could customize and resell. There's like quite a lot of trainings. And then there's also PLR here. There's certificates that are PLR you could sell. There's wall art. There's more wall art here you could pick, and then there's some PLR that you could pick from. Like there's even digital planners on the bonus page that you could customize and resell. So there's a lot of good bonuses on this bonus page. And there's also digital planner stickers, and then digital papers here, and then coloring images like these really pretty snowflake mandalas, and then there's coloring mandalas. And I made them with this software called Kaleidoscope that's no longer for sale, so you can no longer make images like these. You probably could use AI, I guess, but back then, like they had Kaleidoscope. And then these are some images I drew myself because I'm an artist. So I drew these party animals and then these elephants. These are all hand drawn by me. You get the full rights once you get them. And I got yoga cats too. Like I made these myself, and you can also fill them with patterns. And then I made these puzzles, these Sudoku puzzles. And I have mazes here, and then monster truck, Sudoku puzzles and mazes. Yeah, so that's the bonuses you get. And not only that, you get 2 full coloring packs from my Choose Your Own Coloring Bonus Page. So you get these full packs, like I got, Halloween cuties, cute and cozy animals, fantasy butterflies, back to school animals, Christmas cats. Like this would be good to get because Christmas is coming up. Christmas cats colored by number. And they're colored by number because it's good for kids and also seniors because they like to use color by number. Then we got natural sea creatures and camping animals and dynamite dinos and cats and dogs. And I'll be adding more packs to this page soon. These are the ones I have so far. And this is a popular book that Easter Mini Bunny Girls is popular. Like I actually have a book on those myself on Amazon that does well every Easter. People will buy it for their Easter baskets. And we got baby dinos, robot unicorns, catacorns. We got alicorns coloring pack, brilliant bugs. So you get to pick from all these. And there's Mini Zoo, and there's St. Patrick's Day chibis, and so you get to pick from any of these packs. You get 2 full packs. Then if you get the Pro for $67, you get several shaped pathway puzzles in different holidays. Like I made about 12 or more. I'm still making more of them. You get these shaped pathway puzzles. And see, I made all these pathway puzzles that are completely done for you. And they also come with solutions. You get like unicorns, Christmas and Thanksgiving and Easter included in like the Pro. And then soon the GPT is going to move to the Pro only, so make sure you get it right away. And then you get the Premium, you get AI Puzzle Profits Lab course. I made this course called AI Puzzle Profits Lab that makes AI puzzles, like mazes, and Sudoku puzzles and all kinds of different puzzles using AI tools. And you'll get that. If you have that already, you can get another course from BeckBeach.AI. It's my AI shop. And if you get the Elite, you get 3 more coloring packs you can choose from. So you get to come back here, you get to pick 3 more packs to use for your Amazon publishing. And if you get the Elite. So to get these bonuses, you go to your Warrior Plus purchase page for the product. And then on the purchase page, first you'll see the button that says Access to Purchase. And underneath, you'll see Access Affiliate Bonus. These are all the bonuses that you'll get when you purchase Best Maze Generator with my link. And again, go to the description box right now and pick up Best Maze Generator with my link so you get my bonuses. And I hope you like this video training and tutorial and bonus on Best Maze Generator. Well, have a great day. Goodbye!